So in this video, I am going to show you how to find your 1099-K issued by Stripe. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Stripe account, and then you will be brought to your home page. Up in the right hand corner, you're going to click this gear icon which says settings once you hover over it, and then you're going to click settings again. Now we're going to go to the account settings section, and then under that, compliance and documents. Click on that. And then our third choice across the top, we have documents. We want to click on documents. And then if you scroll down under documents, you will see your tax form 1099-K for 2024, which was created on 1/20/2025 in my case. And then you have the download button to the right of that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out the other videos in this series on how to find my 1099-K.